We're gonna do something very easy today, guys. Well, everything we do is really kind of easy, right? I'm gonna make a Spam and egg sandwich. I've got Munster's cheese, and I've got some mayonnaise. So you guys stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you how I get this done. We're gonna listen to the radio as I'm doing this. We're gonna get this Italian bread used up hopefully today and this evening, maybe tomorrow. This is a Friday. I've taken off work and I'm outside enjoying this beautiful weather we're having in southeast Oklahoma. And man, I was getting kind of hungry, so I'm gonna fix me a Spam and fried egg sandwich, grilled on my Blackstone, of course. I've got the number 3 and 4 burner on, which is the far right side, which you'll see here in just a minute. So we have that, and what we're going to do is put some mayonnaise on this. I broke my lid. Well, I think we are. I don't guess I've even opened this yet. Already got a damaged lid. Probably need to open this up before I start filming, huh? All right, back to the drawing board. We'll put some mayonnaise on here for grilling purposes. I need a little bit more. All right, we're going to get this done up and put it on the grill or griddle. So I'm going to bring you over there. Wait, we need to get our Spam ready, duh. Ah, good old can of Spam. Look at that, beautiful. Roll that beautiful Spam footage. Let me get a knife out of here without banging you around. These have been pretty good knives. Got it at Walmart, forged in fire. I've got the small paring knife and this chef's knife. Cut me off a couple of slices at least. Maybe 3. I'm going to put that on there. Yeah, I'll do 3. All right. So we are basically ready to go over to the griddle. So, oh, we got music going too. Hang on. Let's get that going. All right. So this is basically an experimental video because I have this radio here now. I think you'll see a video of mine where I have a radio, but it's over on the far side of the patio. Put an extension cord out here. Got this one on my prep cart so you can hear the music better. So I don't know if you can hear my voice over the music or not. So this is going to be an experimental video. Spam doesn't need salt, but I'm going to put some ground pepper on it. See what we got going on here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Woo-hoo! Same with that one. Move those over here to the cool side. Again, 3 and 4 is on, 1 and 2's off. That's what we're looking for, color. Spam's already cooked, but what makes it absolutely delicious is putting this little color on there.
Coming up right here, we've got the Rolling Stones with She's So Cold. Then close out the 11 o'clock.
You hear that, guys?
We've got the Beatles with Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds.
That is
right here on Rock 105. You're
a DJ. Oh my God. Do you remember what DJs were? Or are still?
She's so cold. The burning bush. I'm the 35. I'm the bleeding volcano.
All right, we're going to get our eggs on. It's going to be a hard fried egg, so I'll break the yolk. And number 2. I use kosher salt exclusively now when I'm cooking. So I've got these little containers they go in. You'll see different ones I've got in the house, but a little bit. I just like the taste of it better, I guess. Of course, Miss Knox. I use coarse black pepper too, but I like ground pepper most of the time on my eggs. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Cheese is melted just enough for me. So I'll put it here on my cutting board.
That rocks your socks off, and your shirt, and your pants, and your... We are Classic Rock 105. Turn it up.
Right. Start building this baby. I just had a hankering again for just some Spam and eggs. I thought, you know what, I want me a sandwich on my Blackstone. Listen to the radio a little bit. I haven't tried to get away from me. Two eggs. And we're going to put some more cheese on there. All right. Let's set that off here a little bit and let it get nice and melty.
Everyone smiles as you drift past the flowers that grow so incredibly high.
All right. That looks fabulous. Goodness gracious. Let's turn the burners off. Turn the propane off. Man, oh man, oh man. I'll have to get a picture of that, guys. That is Spam, egg, Munster cheese sandwich. You cut it in half for you guys and give her a good taste.
Love you, man. Oh, don't forget your knee brace again. We aren't in college anymore.
Moments together matter, so help protect yourself from RSV. If you're 75 or older or 60 plus with a chronic condition like asthma, COPD, heart disease, or severe diabetes, you're at higher risk of landing in the hospital from RSV, and there are no prescription RSV treatments. Check eligibility and schedule your RSV vaccine at vaxassist.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
Whether you own a local business
Let's see
or a
that.
global one, you're always looking for ways to position your operation to create opportunities and move on them faster. With Bank of America, you get access to experts,
That's amazing.
award-winning insights, and
It's going to be more amazing in my mouth. Man, oh man, oh man. It's not a beer, but it's all right, Sal. It's a Coke Zero cherry flavored. I love these things. A cherry flavored Coke is a Roy Rogers for you mocktail people. So this is my Roy Rogers in a can. Kevin over at Man Kitchen Recipes. Man, oh man, oh man. This is going to be delicious. Man, I'm telling you. Here we go. That's what I've been hungry for. Man, I appreciate it, guys. Appreciate you stopping in. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down 2 times, please. That way I'll really know you don't like it. And man, other than that, definitely subscribe to me. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate all my subscribers. All my friends that I've made on YouTube. You all take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.